kwa sababu hao ni vijana ambao wangekuwa katika mambo ya mihadarati, katika mambo ya crime. Wasichana hao labda wangekuwa wamejitubanisha maisha yao, ingekuwa imeenda hivyo, wameolewa, labda wamejiachilia, the vision and the dream of their lives would have been cut short. But here we are seeing them, young people passionate about their dreams. No one is paying them allowances, no one is giving them anything else, but they are here for 10 days back to back kujifunza na kujaribu kuimprove skills na knowledge yao katika hiyo space ya content creation na artificial intelligence. So itawasaidia kujikimu kimaisha, kusaidia familia zao, na pia keeping their lives busy and active towards improving themselves to be better and meaningful young people in our society. So kama NRT tunajivunia hii kazi, tutazidi kuwasaidia, kuwashika mkono. This is just the beginning. We'll keep working very closely with them. I'm very much sure in the next 5-10 years, artificial intelligence will be a very big thing in our world. And we want to support artificial intelligence as NRT to enable communities to have access to environmental conservation information. Kwa sababu saizi tunangangana na mambo ya mabadiliko ya tabia nchi. But how do we make our young people to be well informed na kuimprove ile inaitwa awareness creation, na tunatumia technology katika hiyo safari ya kujulisha watu wetu, so that knowledge will enable them to be able to deal with environmental conservation, to plant trees, to conserve wildlife, and of course the beauty of our nature and our ecology.
This training for the past 2 weeks. The training is about digital skills, which has been organized by Kenya School of Government Isolo in partnership with NRT, NIBS Creation Media, and also Ajira Digital. I'm happy to be part of the team, and also I've learned a lot